Huawei's reported involvement in helping Chinese firms improve chip packaging technology marks a significant milestone in the development of China's semiconductor industry, which has long been striving for greater self-sufficiency. This is a part of China's larger efforts to mitigate its dependence on foreign semiconductor suppliers, particularly in the wake of escalating trade tensions, especially with the United States, which have hindered access to advanced chip-making equipment and design software. Huawei, one of China's most influential tech giants, has increasingly turned its focus to sectors where it can still make meaningful advancements despite ongoing challenges, and chip packaging has emerged as a crucial area for development. Chip packaging, which involves enclosing semiconductor chips in protective materials and preparing them for integration into electronic devices, is often an overlooked aspect of the semiconductor production process. However, its importance cannot be overstated. The packaging not only serves to protect the delicate chip components but also affects the chip's performance, heat dissipation, power consumption, and overall efficiency. As chips become more advanced and miniaturized, the packaging technology must evolve to meet the demands of next-generation electronics. In the current era of fast, high-performance computing, artificial intelligence, and 5G networks, these advancements in chip packaging have far-reaching implications for the entire tech ecosystem. Huawei's role in this venture is noteworthy for several reasons. Firstly, it comes at a time when the company has been facing severe restrictions in acquiring certain advanced semiconductor technologies due to U.S. sanctions. These sanctions have cut Huawei off from crucial resources such as high-end chip manufacturing equipment, including extreme ultraviolet, EUV, lithography machines, and access to cutting-edge chipsets, such as those based on the most advanced manufacturing nodes. Despite this, Huawei has continued to push forward, leveraging its domestic capabilities and forging collaborations with other Chinese firms to bolster its technological autonomy. In particular, Huawei's involvement in chip packaging comes as part of China's broader strategy to build a self-reliant semiconductor ecosystem. China's semiconductor industry has been historically dependent on foreign companies for high-end chips and equipment. Leading companies like TSMC, Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, and Samsung have dominated the semiconductor manufacturing landscape, making it difficult for Chinese companies to compete at the same level. This dependency has become a significant concern for China, especially in light of recent trade and technology restrictions imposed by Western countries. The chip packaging process itself is a critical stage in chip production. Traditionally, chips are designed on specialized computer-aided design (CAD) software, fabricated through a series of processes that create the transistors, wiring, and other elements, and then packaged into a casing that protects the internal components and allows for electrical connections. This packaging must meet several requirements to ensure the chip functions optimally, including maintaining a compact size, ensuring durability, dissipating heat efficiently, and supporting the chip's performance under varying conditions. As chips have become more complex, the need for advanced packaging methods such as 3D stacking and system-in-package (SIP) solutions has become paramount. These packaging technologies allow for higher performance and smaller form factors, which are especially important in modern smartphones, wearable devices, and the rapidly growing field of artificial intelligence. By improving chip packaging, Huawei can help Chinese companies reduce their reliance on Western firms and contribute to the development of more sophisticated and efficient semiconductor solutions. One of the key areas where Huawei is reportedly making strides is in advanced packaging techniques like system-in-package (SIP) and 3D packaging. These technologies enable multiple components or chips to be integrated into a single package, making them more compact while improving performance. 3D packaging, for example, allows multiple chips to be stacked on top of each other, reducing the overall size of the device while still maintaining high performance. This is particularly useful in sectors like mobile phones, where space is at a premium and performance requirements are constantly increasing. Huawei's ability to implement these advanced packaging techniques could potentially give Chinese companies a competitive advantage in the market. Moreover, Huawei's efforts to improve chip packaging are not limited to just the mechanical aspects of the process. They are also focused on improving the materials used in packaging, which is a critical component in ensuring the durability and performance of chips. For example, advanced heat dissipation materials are essential for preventing overheating, which can degrade chip performance. Newer packaging materials can also increase the overall reliability of chips, ensuring that they can withstand the rigors of extended use in consumer electronics, automotive applications, and industrial machinery. By working with other Chinese firms to develop these materials, Huawei can help position China as a more competitive player in the global semiconductor industry. As part of this effort, Huawei is also reportedly focusing on improving the overall efficiency of the packaging process. One of the goals of this initiative is to reduce production costs, which would make it easier for Chinese firms to produce high-quality chips at competitive prices. The ability to manufacture chips more efficiently and at a lower cost is especially critical in today's fast-paced semiconductor market, where companies must constantly innovate while keeping prices down to meet market demand. If Huawei and its partners succeed in making chip packaging more cost-effective, it could help China develop a more sustainable and competitive semiconductor industry in the long run. These advances in chip packaging are particularly significant in the context of China's push to enhance its capabilities in emerging technologies such as 5G, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT. The success of these technologies relies heavily on the performance and efficiency of semiconductors, making the improvement of chip packaging an important step toward realizing China's technological ambitions. For instance, the 5G rollout requires high-performance chips that can handle massive amounts of data at high speeds while consuming as little power as possible. AI applications, especially those involving machine learning and deep learning, require chips that can handle large-scale computations while minimizing energy consumption. The better the chip packaging, the more efficient these chips will be, which is why Huawei's work in this field could have far-reaching implications. Looking ahead, the progress that Huawei makes in chip packaging could potentially serve as a springboard for broader advancements in the Chinese semiconductor industry. While packaging alone will not solve all of China's semiconductor challenges, it represents an important area where significant progress can be made. In particular, Huawei's efforts to build domestic expertise in advanced packaging technologies could help China establish a more resilient and self-sufficient semiconductor supply chain. As Huawei continues to push the boundaries of chip packaging, other Chinese companies may be able to leverage this expertise to improve their own capabilities and contribute to the development of China's semiconductor ecosystem. However, there are still significant challenges ahead for Huawei and other Chinese firms. While chip packaging is an important step, the broader semiconductor ecosystem requires ongoing investment in research and development, R&D, manufacturing processes, and workforce education. To truly compete with global leaders like TSMC and Samsung, China must continue to invest heavily in every aspect of semiconductor production, from chip design to manufacturing equipment to packaging. Furthermore, the political and economic tensions between the U.S. and China are unlikely to dissipate soon, meaning that Huawei and its partners must continue to navigate these challenges while striving to improve China's technological capabilities. In conclusion, Huawei's role in helping Chinese firms improve chip packaging technology is a vital part of the country's push to strengthen its semiconductor industry. Through advances in packaging techniques and materials, Huawei is helping to reduce China's dependence on foreign technology, contributing to the development of more powerful, efficient, and cost-effective semiconductor solutions. While there is still much work to be done, these efforts represent a significant step toward China's goal of achieving greater self-sufficiency in semiconductor production and technology development. As the global semiconductor industry continues to evolve, Huawei's work in chip packaging will likely play a critical role in shaping the future of China's tech landscape.